Hello, and welcome to another episode of Radical Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In today's video, I'll be making something that is a staple in most Kerala households, and that is tapioca, or kappa as we call it in Kerala, or yuca for my Spanish-speaking friends. What's great about this recipe is that it's super easy to make and full of nutrition. Plus, it's completely vegan. Although in Kerala, we do pair this with a nice fish curry, but the recipe by itself is vegan. This mashed tapioca would go great with a nice crisp green salad. So let's not waste any more time and jump right into the recipe. Okay, so I've got some fresh tapioca here, and I've cut into about this size of piece. Okay, so I'm going to let this boil first to remove any of the impurities or dirt or anything that's left. So we're going to let this come to a boil and then let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so the tapioca has been boiling for about 3 to 4 minutes now. And I'm going to drain this out. Okay, so I've drained out the tapioca and it's not fully cooked yet, so I'm going to put it into my cooker and just cook it for just one whistle. I'm just going to add a little bit of turmeric and a pinch of red chili powder as well. Okay, I'm adding some water also to help it cook. Don't forget the salt, like I almost did. Mix it in. Okay, it's in the cooker. I'm going to put the weight on and give it one whistle. Alright, so the tapioca is done. We're going to open it up and make sure everything is cooked. Alright, so yes, the tapioca is all cooked. We're just going to mash it a little bit. But first I'm going to drain out some of this water because we don't need all of this water. So I saved a little bit of water from the tapioca. And I'm going to roughly grind up some shallots or small onions and green chilies. I've chopped up the green chilies a little bit so it's easier to grind it. Okay, and that's it. Now we're going to go back to the tapioca and just mash it a little bit more. I want to check the salt now as well. Okay, so now it's nicely mashed, and now I'm going to add the onions and green chili. Alright, so I've mixed in all of the onions and green chili. Now I'm going to add some grated coconut. So I've mixed the grated coconut and the small onions and green chili and give everything a good mash. And I've checked the salt. So at this point, this is when you have to check to see if you have enough salt. Okay, don't mash it anymore because this is right about it. And I've turned my stove off. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of coconut oil on top. Okay, mix that in. Got some curry leaves here, which I'm just going to garnish on top. And give that also a nice mix. And that's it.